You can easily keep track of who attended your course and who missed it using our attendance tracking functionality. To do that, you simply go to your course and use one of the buttons here to mark them as either attended or absent. So you click and that marks them as attended or absent, just like so. And you can change your mind and change the status with just a click. Of course, in this case, these particular bookings don't capture the details of all attendees. You can see that this is a booking for 4 people, but I'd only have the details of the person who booked. I don't have the details of all the individual attendees. In Cademy, relatively recently, we've added the option to capture the details of everybody attending. So if you go into your course and under the settings, choose to request and capture the details of all attendees, then your booking is going to look slightly different. So if you look at this booking here, there's 2 spaces booked. And if I click to expand, I'll see the 2 individual attendees. And you can see that I can individually mark them as either attended or absent. So you can mark them both with a single click, just like so, but you can also mark them individually, just like so. Now, in addition to that, you can see that in this particular case, this is a block of dates. So if I view this course, you will see that this particular session is a block of 4 individual dates, whilst this is just an individual occurrence. So for such courses where there's individual dates, you can see the reset attendance individually for each week in this scenario. So as weeks go by, you can keep track of who's attended when. So maybe in the 3rd week, only one of them showed up, and you can track that like that. Nice and simple. We'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any questions, use the live chat button at the bottom right of the page. Thank you so much and take care.